Welcome back, lovies. It's your girl China Doll. You know what to do, so do the right thing and keep in the loop. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Y'all know what? Turn the post notification bell on so whenever I post a video, y'all will be notified. Today, what I will be doing, or tonight rather, because it's night, I'm opening a package from Amazon, right? Alright, so those two little things in there, but I feel like showing y'all still. Okay, here goes. Here goes. Alright, so this is a secret. Yeah, only enough is the one day. Alright. This is some rolling paper for smoking. For the adults, okay? For the adults. And it's supposed to be 100 in there. It come with the like the, where they call it now, funnel. All these things. Alright, so this is some placemats. That's what it's called, right? Placemats for the table, the dinner table. I have some already, but I decided I want to get some new ones. I'm gonna show you how it looks on the table. Alright. Not bad, right? And you know it's 4 pieces. Not bad. I like it. I don't even remember really what's the cost of these. These are the ones that I have on it currently, right? So I'm gonna remove all of these and replace them with the new ones, right? Alright, they're all gone now. I'm gonna wipe the table, clean it off, y'all know what's up. And then the newbies, here are the newbies. It's really cute, really classy. I really like them. Y'all could definitely purchase these from Amazon, alright? So right now is a bonnet, right? It's a bonnet. I always want one of them because I be having ears issue with all of them excitement day. So your girl got key. What do you mean? I don't even know. Bonnet queen, okay? I wait to go now. Like so? All right. Okay. Almost. Yeah. I like this. Me like this to me. Y'all, if y'all want one of this, I think it's like $8 or something like that. $9 or something like that. Alright, this is the last thing. This is the last thing, and this is a space storage. Yes, it is a storage thing. Where you can put, like, I don't know, it depends on where you want to put your dirty clothes, toys, whatever. It's for Kyle to put his toys in. Yeah. You know, he's coming home. He's coming home Friday. Today is Sunday, and he's coming home Friday. Excited, and I'm nervous at the same time. Excited and nervous at the same time. Let's see how simple it is to pick up this and show y'all. Okay, but it's not that big. Okay. This one the like about it over the other one. It have 2 different openings. This is the space, what you call it now, separator. Almost maybe it's like that, I don't know, but let's see. I like it. And it's pretty simple, right? Not a lot of work. Yeah. So that's it for my video today. That's all that's in my package. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give a girl a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you know. Turn the post notification bell on so you could be notified whenever I post another video. Do the right thing and keep in the loop.